So just a few moments ago, the air sirens here in Lviv went off. And this is not too common of an occurrence these days, but mostly the mood settles down relatively quickly and people go about their business when the danger is gone. But now there have been some reports coming from the journalist group I'm in here that it was actually a rocket that hit the center of Lviv and hit the television tower. And as you can see, there's massive clouds of smoke there in the distance. Massive billowing clouds of smoke. And I could actually feel the thud, the dull thud on the ground. And most of the time this dull thud has been nothing. It's been a false alarm, but judging by the smoke, it does seem that it's this time it has hit very close. And I have to verify for you if it was indeed the TV station. And I'm going to check that out right now. So something striking happened as I made my way to the media center, and I came across this tunnel where people were taking refuge, and a busker was there, and he started playing music in the tunnel, and I think at least it cheered the kids up a bit.